This is Rockplay, a platform where anyone can create crypto-like coins, buy them, bet on questions, rock pull the entire coin, all with a 3-map graph that lets you view the entire market in real time. So what happens if you let 5,000 people trade with fake money? Buy the domain, create a logo, and we got a coin creation page. Since real crypto uses the $sign prefix for token names, Rockplay uses star. At first I let people choose the total token supply and initial market cap, but that meant people can create coins with 1 token supply and 10,000 in market cap, which is essentially a $10,000 coin. So I made each coin start with 1 billion token supply and 1,000 market cap, which makes each coin start at 0.000001. Now we need a token page. So after you create the coin, you don't actually own anything besides your name as the creator. You can choose to buy the coin, raising the price and giving you more of the supply. For the graph I used the TradingView library, which was annoying to set up. Most crypto platforms display candlestick charts. These show 3 green lines when the price goes up and 3 red bars when it drops. But if someone buys, pushing the price up, and then someone sells within the same minute time frame, the chart keeps the green bar from the initial purchase but as a thinner line. This seems fairly simple. Why am I complaining? Well, each candle must have 5 fields: time, open, high, low, and close. I eventually figured it out by sorting transactions by timestamp, finding the earliest trade for open and the latest trade for close, while keeping track of the lowest and highest prices that occurred during the entire minute. So anyway, after drinking a Schweppes that had absolutely no flavor, complaining about it on Twitter, creating a company called Maxing Technology, now we have the completed coin page. But staring at a graph can be pretty lonely, so I did a comment section at the bottom. This time with Google Authentication, because goddamn people do not know how to behave. Throw back to a few weeks ago when I launched my own email protocol with a global chat. Do not, under any circumstance, allow creating accounts by simply asking for name and password. Don't ask how I know. Now you may wonder, why isn't this made on a blockchain? Where's the blockchain? How can I mine the coin? It doesn't exist. I mean, the entire thing is meant to be no blockchain! I'm locked in, I'm in the trenches, I'm getting ripped. Anyway, then I threw some uranium-238 on my code and boom! Now everything on the coin page is synchronized across every instance, so if I sell everything, get a big red thing over here. Next up we have the market page. You can search for coins by name and use a bunch of filters. By default it shows the most valuable coins first. We also need a competitive aspect to this, so I did leaderboards. You can view who rock pulled the most, who lost the most, the top cash holders and the top portfolios. Speaking of portfolios, you can also view yours, which shows all your coin holdings, recent transactions and the liquid value. Liquid? What the hell? Somehow the uranium spread to the sidebar and added a live trade section where trades worth more than 1k are shown. You can also click view all to see all of the trades in real time without a limit. Then the uranium somehow spread to my ceiling, spawning this thing in.
You green NAS DXP 4800 plus.
More efficient and easier storage solution. Look, when you're constantly building projects like Rockplay, BlipText and more, you need reliable storage for backups that don't break the bank like those overpriced cloud services. Plus, with AirSync server support, you can automate backups between multiple servers and multiple devices. This beast handles up to 112 terabytes of storage. That's 76,000 movies worth of space. With download speeds hitting 1,150 megabytes per second. Perfect for backing up databases, source code and all your project files in minutes instead of hours.
Also, Ugreen NAS offers quite compatibility for third-party hard drives and SSDs,
with regular compatibility updates based on user feedback. The best part, your data stays local and private with professional security certifications, so you don't have to worry about some corporation mining your data. Plus it works across all your devices. And honestly, setting it up is that simple. Just slide in your drives, follow the setup guide and you're good to go. No complicated configuration and no monthly fees in your budget. Check the link in the description for 50% off and get your NAS today. Thanks to Ugreen for sponsoring this video. Anyway, I also wanted the prediction market like Poly Market, where players can create questions like which coin will get to 0.10 cents in an hour, and the winning side gets the money from the losing side. So welcome Hopium. Get it? It's like copium, but Hopium. Anyway, I don't have the time to manually solve every question, so the entire thing is powered by AI. We'll call him Gonzalez. Gonzalez checks if a question has a yes or no answer, sends a timestamp if you mention it, and publishes it. The question immediately gets its own page where you can buy yes or no shares, and a graph showing how people's opinion changed since the question first appeared. Then when the question expires, Gonzalez gets the market data from the site, searches the internet if required, and resolves the question, paying the winning side. And since Gonzalez doesn't work for free, you need 100k in Rockplay cash to create questions, with a limit of 2 per hour. This turned out to be the most brilliant thing I have ever thought of. Extreme power brain activity. Since when the site launched, it created the incentive to get access to Hopium. Then I realized, wait, I can turn this entire thing into a game. Analyze the top Roblox, find the lowest hanging fruit, spend hours on end studying every game mechanic. So I reached the conclusion. We need promo codes, daily rewards, and games. Promo codes are self-explanatory. I can simply inject money into the economy by creating a code and share it somewhere. For daily rewards you get a button on the sidebar with cash to claim that increases the longer you keep your streak. Another thing I copied, deeply analyzed from Roblox, was player IDs. They are not just random strings of characters. The first player on the platform gets the user ID 1, the 50th 50, and so on. I took this one step further by adding a badge that shows your ID and unseal daily streak.
Take that, threads powered by Instagram, powered by Meta.
Speaking of badges, we have profiles now. They show your stats, created coins, and recent transactions. And also every time a username is mentioned on the site, you can hover on it and get a profile preview. Anyway, on to the last thing from Roblox. Luck games. Despite popular belief, I am not a 25-year-old alcoholic and serial gambler, so I went on YouTube and started
watching Drake to study gambling.
After shaking hands with an air conditioner, I had enough insight into gambling, so I commissioned a friend of mine to draw 8 of my previous projects into a cute style. Then I added coin flipping, slots, sound effects, and even more confetti. Only to realize the images were chunky as fuck and the entire page was trying to load 8 megabytes of images and I had to compress them down. For anybody hating on AVIF, this image turned from 1 megabyte being a PNG to 10 kilobytes being an AVIF. So if you wonder why your pages load faster if they have images, that's probably the reason. And stop complaining. I also tried adding scratch cards, but they were impossible to balance.
YouTube, this video is purely for entertainment purposes. In no way does it promote gambling, genuine crypto trading, illicit behavior, or provide any financial advice. It's all educational. Please don't remove the video.
I have a cactus to blow. Also, this entire thing is built with JavaScript.
Oh, you shouldn't use JavaScript for this. It loves this floating point accuracy and it's a bad language. Shut the fuck up.
Now you probably know what this is. Okay, this guy is incompetent. That's called a tree map or heat map. Heat map makes more sense. I have no idea why they call them tree maps. But basically each square size is determined by market cap and how much money is in it. And their color shows the 24-hour change. I thought this would be pretty fun to have on the platform so we can visualize coins changing over time. We also time-lapse the entire thing, but more on that later. I fucking hate data protection. I could have just sent the usernames to deleted user, removed all of the comments and left the market intact without a 2-week deletion notice. No. The next time I'm blocking the entire Europe. Anyways, after fighting for a privacy policy in terms of service and modifying my entire code base to add a cron job to schedule account deletion for fuck's sake, the platform is pretty much done.
They are making fake screenshots of me saying to invest in coins. Average coin fan, average maze coin, enjoy it.
Go up, go up, go up, go up.
Go up, go up.
Average GOM investor. I'm 3rd place on the biggest losses. I like how nobody changed the bio. It's stuck to, hello, I'm 48-year-old man from Somalia, sorry for my bad England. I sold my wife for internet connection for play Counter-Strike. We cannot let this thing become the Bitcoin of the platform. Get on coin/Diddy. Bro. What? No, bro, who's buying this? Then someone made the live stream of the transaction, stop coins, and Discord chat. Does that shit fucking say good? What?
Anyway, to make sure everything worked fine, I got 2 of my friends to try to make the most money in rock played by chaos.
Already have 6,000. I tried a bit of this.
We need a coin that everybody loves and everybody wanna buy. Fucking gamble coin. Okay, let's buy.
Here are all my coins. I have money. I have 10 cents and fucking risk coin.
Full composition. What the fuck is this? Let's see the tree map. Where is my fucking gamble coin? Fanboys.
What about dupe? Oh shit. 1,000 pumping this. I bet it's... Shit, who the fuck sold 13,000? What the fuck? Yeah, that was all my earning.
It's fucking lie. It's a lie. You lied to me.
Someone's investing. Oh yeah. Easy banks. This guy who invested 40,000. This guy is fucked. I made 13. What? Hey, let's go.
Wow! We are gonna be rich.
I need people to sell more. I hope people will sell.
Okay, Max.
Keep this shit going downwards, bro. Come on, bring it down. Bring it down.
I saw someone selling my coin. Where is it? Wow! Someone sold my coin.
It doesn't hurt to invest 1,000 in this one. Man, if this shit rises again, I'm selling it instantly. I'm folding. $1 each. Who the fuck is buying this? No one is buying this. Sibao. It's way too high. I'm not investing in high. Not risking it. What? By feet? People, what?
I know you'll give me... Oh, I don't have money. Okay, fuck it.
A hawk? Is it the hawk 2 coin? Oh my fucking god. This guy's still commenting with his feet, bro. This guy has a feet addiction. $28. This shit collapsed.
Skibidi is going down. Oh no, it's very bad. Skibidi coin. I wanna help him. Freaky dev. What the fuck is this?
This guy with his feet again, this guy on my days.
Yes, we need to buy here and to sell.
Vape coin is rising. I'm not buying that. People are too good at this. I'm not good at trading, bro. This guy expects me to make money from this. Skibbity toilet coin? Fuck yeah, bro. I'm investing. Fuck it. 1,000. Buy Skibbity toilet, boys.
Should I sell? Where is Gamble? Did it grow? Yes, it's bigger now.
All these coins are rising. What is happening? No, stop selling dupe. Oh my days. No, I'm gonna sell now. Fuck this coin, bro. Fuck the people who've invested in this. What the fuck happened to my $1,000? No. Fuck this coin, bro. Fuck this one too. I'm gonna sell all what I have.
Нам надо поднимать мою криптовалюту. Погнали.
Ну
Зарегайся
нахуй
там.
криптовалюту, долбоёб.
Я криптовалютчик.
Ты долбоёб.
За 45, прикинь? О, тихо. 0,3065. Блять. Был це, верни! Верни, блять, я вышел!
Well, anyway, what you're currently seeing at the top is a 3-day time lapse of the entire market. The entirety of Rock Play is free to play, there are no microtransactions, so everybody has a fair chance. You can visit the site right now and sign up. Oh, and also join the Discord server because comments on coins turned out to be a really bad way to communicate. I don't usually do these, but I'm gonna read some stats from my previous sites I've made. So there's currently 7,300 accounts banned on 2Blade, 1,700 total users on Rock Play, and 40,000 accounts on Bliptext, which is my own Wikipedia. Bliptext has around 178,000 individual word edits, with 8,621 articles having at least one edit. That is roughly 0.40% of articles being edited. Shout out to everyone who reported bugs during the Rock Play beta launch. You can find the source code on GitHub. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next one. Fucking hell. Well, then I was saying it like, it really does matter if you think about it for more than a second, unlike me, No, we need at least 10,000. Yeah.